Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cool and useful, a ladder. Grab your black marker, paper, and let's have some fun drawing and coloring together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Start with a rectangle at the top of the page. This will be the top base of our ladder. Now, draw two long rectangles extending down from the top base. These are the legs on one side of the ladder. Next, draw a small portion of the third leg, just peeking out on the opposite side of the ladder. Let's add the steps. Draw 3 horizontal rectangles in between the ladder legs. These are the steps to climb up. Finally, complete the fourth leg behind the steps. Wow, it's looking great already. Nice job, everyone. Now, take your black marker again and make the outlines bold and sharp to make our ladder really pop off the page. Looking awesome, isn't it? Let's bring our ladder to life with colors. We'll use rainbow colors to make it extra vibrant. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. You're doing fantastic. Yay! We did it. Look at our colorful ladder. It looks amazing. Don't forget to share your artwork with your friends and family. Hello, little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something really cool and simple, an easy staircase. Grab your markers, and let's get started. First, let's draw 2 zigzag lines parallel to each other. These zigzag lines will be the steps of our staircase. Make sure the spaces between the lines are even. Now, let's connect the corners of the zigzag lines with straight horizontal lines. This makes the staircase look nice and solid. Let's add the side wall of the staircase. Draw a straight line down from the back of the top step and another straight line from the bottom step. Now, let's make it extra fun by drawing a rounded tunnel under the stairs. It looks like a little archway. Great work so far! Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp to really make our artwork pop. Trace over all the lines carefully with your black marker. Whoa! Look at that! It's already looking amazing!
Yay!
It's time to color our staircase. We're going to use rainbow colors to make it super bright and fun. Let's name the colors as we go. Red color for the top step.
Wow!
Orange color for the next step. Yellow color for the third step. Green color for the fourth step. Bottle green color for the next one. Blue color for the next step. Indigo color for the next one. Purple color for the next step. Deep purple color for the next one. Pink color for the next step. Light pink color for the next one. Cream color for the final step. For the wall, let's use sea green color. And the tunnel, use ocean blue color to make it look extra cool. Whoa! Fantastic job, little artists! Our easy staircase looks so colorful and fun. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome drawing tutorials. Hi, friends! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub, where we make drawing fun and easy. Today, we're going to draw a beautiful flower step by step. So grab your black marker and your color pens, and let's get started. Draw a small circle in the middle of your paper. Around the circle, draw 6 large petals evenly spaced, like teardrop shapes. Now draw another 6 petals behind the first set. These are bigger and peek out from behind the first set of petals. Doesn't that look amazing? Go over your entire flower with your black marker again to make the outline bold and sharp. This will make your flower look super cute and stand out. Awesome! Your flower looks amazing!
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens, and let's name the colors as we go. Red color. Use it to color the circle in the center.
La da 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 dee.
Orange color. Fill the first set of petals.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Foreshadow. Pink color. Use it for the second set of petals to make them bright and colorful. Isn't that colorful and fun? Great job, everyone! Your flower looks beautiful and bright. Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your family and friends. Keep practicing and having fun with art. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.